Are you ready to start Monday with a bang? Are you ready to get motivated and do something? Are you ready to take action and change your life? If you are, keep listening to this entire video. Let me know what you think about it at the end. Hit the like button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Leave me a comment and let me know what you like about the video. It really does help motivate me to put out more content like this if you guys let me know that you guys enjoy it. If this information helps you in any way, shape, or form, please consider picking up a shirt at automechanicclub.com. It's only a couple bucks and it helps support the channel. Thanks so much, guys. Let's get started. Today is Monday, the greatest day of the week. Every Monday is another chance to accomplish, to conquer. Winners love Monday because it's time to start kicking ass after the laziness of the weekend. If you hate Monday, it's for a reason. Let's isolate the problem. When the problem is isolated, it's annihilated. To hate Monday is a very clear sign you hate your work. The work you will be doing 5 out of every 7 days. If you hate Monday, there should only be one thing on your mind at all times. Not how to endure the week, but how to break free. You might fail, but you might succeed. But for God's sakes, you had better try before you realize you have wasted your entire life and have nothing but the regret in your heart. An old man on his deathbed never thinks to himself, I should have never quit that job I hated so much. They had a 401k and dental insurance. If he lived his life, he thinks about all the great things, the adventure, his family, the good times. If he didn't live his life, he is filled to the brim with regret. To know you are going to die and be flooded with a lifetime of regretful memories would be a fate worse than death. It's Monday. Do you regret your life so far? Today is your last chance to turn it all around. Don't let it pass you by. Monday is the best day of the week because Monday sets a tone and pace for the entire week. Start Monday with the whimper and you can bet you will end the week with the whimper. Start Monday with a bang and you can end your week as an ass kicker. People with no ambition wait and pray for the weekends. People with heart and ambition wait and pray for Mondays. Today is Monday. Time to get shit done. What are you guys gonna do? Are you gonna scroll social media all day? Are you gonna wish and pray that you had a better job? That you had better opportunities? Or are you gonna see Monday as a new day to conquer? Are you gonna keep pushing forward every single day? Or are you gonna be stuck in the rat race, not making any money, wishing for something better? The choice is yours. It always is. I leave it up to you guys to decide. I just put out the information. I let you guys know what I did and what worked for me. Because to be honest, we're not that different. I was lost. I was confused. I didn't know where to go. I didn't know if my life would turn out the way I wanted it to. Until I realized that it was all up to me, that I had to create that life. I had to go out there and get it done. Nobody else was going to do it for me. Once I realized that, my life changed. Because I took action every single day to make sure that it happened. Even if it was small action, even if it was for 10 minutes a day, I felt better knowing that I took steps to get closer to my goals. And it happened way faster than I thought. I thought I needed to take massive action every single day. But in fact, I just needed to be consistent. Daily action, even if it's 10 minutes. That's one step closer to what you really want. Today is Monday. It's the first day of the week. What are you going to do today that's going to change your life? That's going to get you to where you want? Give me 10 minutes of that action to get you closer to your goals, ladies and gentlemen. I want 10 minutes from you every single day. Every day I'm going to be posting this content. Every single day I'm going to give you guys something to motivate you. It's up to you to take the action. I'm doing my part by helping you guys get motivated. Do your part by taking the action. In 6 months, I want to hear stories of men and women that have changed their life because of this motivation. In 6 months, you should have done something. What are you going to do? Leave it in the comment section and let me know, because I want to hear it. 10 minutes every single day. If it's just one push-up, one push-up. If it's one sit-up, one sit-up. If it's 5 minutes less time on your phone, 5 minutes less time on your phone. If it's thinking for 5 minutes of what you want from your life, then make that your daily action. It doesn't matter so long as you're doing something to get closer to your goal, even if it's minor. It does not matter. What matters is your consistency. Today's Monday. What are you going to do? Only you know. Only you will face yourself in the mirror. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to get to work. I'm going to post this video. I'm going to build my cars. I'm going to keep making money. I'm going to keep doing what I want to do, which is succeed. Are you going to join me? Or are you going to be a lazy fuck? Decide. Let me know in the comment section, guys. I want to hear all your guys' I want to hear all your guys' stories. Let me know. It motivates me to know that I got other killers on this channel ready for success. Let's get it.